So this is the Bullet Wireless Z headphones from OnePlus. The box says that the battery life is 20 hours and with 10 minutes of charge you get 10 hours of play, which is pretty impressive. On the side of the box it says Bullet Wireless Z. At the back of the box it says the price. It's 2190 MRP. You can get it at a cheaper deal on Amazon or Flipkart. I'll leave the links in the description below. Some other features says warp charge. 10 minutes of charging gives you 10 hours like I stated earlier. Long battery life. Magnetic control means you can simply snap the two earpieces together. It will switch off the headphones. Or if you separate them, you switch it on. It's waterproof. Quick switch between multiple devices and low latency mode while gaming. Nothing else to see on the box. Let's open it now. First thing you notice is a print here with the two earbuds situated. Let's pull that out. Okay, these are the earbuds. Let's keep that aside for now. What else do we have here? This box contains the user guide and of course the accessories. Let's look at that. You get a type A USB to type C cable to charge these headphones. Standard OnePlus red color. Some ear tips. We have some documentation. Okay, I don't think I need a knife for this unboxing. So let's quickly go ahead and open. So the box contains three main components: the earbuds, the charging cable type A to type C from OnePlus, and the replacement silicone tips for your earbuds. Looking at the headphones itself, at the edge of the neckband there is a plastic casing on either side. It says OnePlus and it has a button, and the same neckband has the charging port. On the other side of the neckband's plastic casing there is no button. This whole neckband is made of a rubberized material with plastic edges. There is a volume control button on one of the wires. It's basically to control features such as changing tracks, etc. The earbuds, however, are magnetic. So the way you switch off these earbuds is simply locking these two into place. And if you want to switch it on, you can simply separate them. So the button on this neckband is a multifunction button. It allows you to switch between devices, whereas the button on the volume control acts as a regular volume control button to play, pause tracks, skip tracks, etc. There's a pinhole for the mic. I'll post a detailed review on the performance of this headphones after I test it for say a week of usage. If you're looking to purchase it, as per the build quality, I would say go ahead if you're fine with this style of the earphones. So that's all folks for this review. Do subscribe to the channel if not done so already. This is the VNS Live Studio channel and you're watching Ron Reviews. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.